Hi, I'm James and thanks for tuning in to ebuyer.com. In this video I'm sitting on a chair, or the box of a chair more specifically. This is the Razer Iskur, one of the latest additions to Razer's lineup, and a gaming chair with some fully sculpted lumbar support alongside a load of other features. Let's take this chair out the box, build it up from start to finish, and then take a seat test to see how comfortable it is over long gaming sessions. Let's do this! The process of actually building up the Razer Iskur gaming chair is actually surprisingly simple. It took me around 20 minutes, although I have built some gaming chairs before, though Razer's large included instructions, and by large I actually mean massive, were super clear to follow and made the process that bit easier. Essentially, you want to affix the back of the chair to the base of the chair, with 2 screws on each side. You then affix some plastic covers over the top to hide these away and make sure the aesthetics are A1 before building up the caster wheelbase. This is pretty simple, you just clip the wheels in, no tools required, to your metal base, which keeps the chair sturdy and easily able to move about. You then want to attach the base of the chair with the actual chair itself, aka the seat pan with the seat backrest, and that's just done using the included hydraulic ram. That hydraulic ram means you can easily adjust the height of the chair, a little something like this, and with that, our chair is essentially finished. Remember to add the included Razer head cushion on, nice and simple, all of the elastics pre-installed where it isn't on some of the other chairs on the market, and this clips over the rear, nice and comfortably. One thing I really like about this chair is actually the armrests, which Razer call their 4D armrests. You can adjust these up and down with 1 dimension of adjustability. You can pinch the button at the top and actually tilt these round for a 2nd dimension of adjustability. They slide forwards and backwards independent of one another for a 3rd dimension of adjustability. And then of course slide horizontally inwards or outwards for that 4th and final dimension of adjustability. What that means is that you can make sure they're the exact height, orientation and positioning for you to make sure you're comfortable and ergonomic. One of the biggest USPs of this chair though is the adjustable lumbar support. Other chairs on the market come with a lumbar cushion, which is not the right fit for many users. This chair though has a dedicated control button. This you actually lift up, put your back into the position you like, and the rear lumbar edges forward into place. This is best demonstrated by me removing myself from the chair completely at the back, lifting the button up, and you can see here the lumbar support extends to its full amount. You can then simply push this back in either by hand or by using your actual back, and this makes sure that the lumbar support is exactly where you need it, nice and comfortable, ergonomic, and ultimately reactive if I move back to go back and forwards, ready for long gaming sessions. And with that, that pretty much wraps it up for our first look, unboxing and overview of the Razer Iskur gaming chair. It brings some totally new features to the gaming chair market, with lumbar support like we've never seen it before, Razer's expected very high levels of build quality, and Razer's awesome design standards. Aesthetically, this chair is an absolute beast, and it's going to look right at home in the most insane of gaming setups. Thank you very much for watching though, we hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, we'll see you soon here at ebuyer.com.